Here is the electric vehicle news roundup for the month of April 2020. The corona crisis has been going on for last few months. It had affected the economy of most of the countries. If you are new to Get Electric Vehicle, here is the short introduction. We write about the basics of electric vehicles, electric vehicle articles, electric vehicle project ideas, reviews and more on getelectricvehicle.com, and we create videos about electric vehicles here in Get Electric Vehicle YouTube channel. Please subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos. In this monthly news roundup, we collect and present a few interesting news about electric vehicles. Number 1. GMC Hummer electric pickup truck reveal has been delayed. The most anticipated Hummer electric pickup truck reveal has been delayed due to the current situation with coronavirus. Earlier, General Motor Truck Company had planned to reveal the Hummer electric pickup truck on 20th May 2020. It was speculated that due to the corona crisis, the live event would either be delayed or altered to an online event. Finally, they had cancelled the event. The social distancing measures taken did not allow GMC to conduct the originally planned event at Detroit Hamtramck Assemble, where the future production of Hummer EV planned. The latest news from GMC is that they had planned the reveal of Hummer EV on 20th May 2020. Number 2. GreenPower motor to offer wirelessly charged electric buses. Wireless charging is an innovation in electric vehicle industry. The wireless charging technology specialist Momentum Dynamics collaborate with GreenPower Motor to manufacture electric bus that offer wireless charging. They had signed a 3-year agreement to develop wireless charging electric vehicles. The first model to develop will be the GreenPower EV Star Mini Shuttle that carry 19 passengers. Momentum Dynamics had already incorporated the 300 kW wireless charging system for the full-sized buses. Momentum CEO Andrew Daga says, "Wireless charging is inherently flexible and we are delighted to extend our wireless charging offering into smaller size shuttle bus fleets with the great people at GreenPower Motor Company." Number 3. Byton announced the partner's name for home charger installation. Last year, Kia and Amazon started the partnership for home charging installation. This time when Byton arrives the US next year, the home charging solution will be provided by Qmerit. In the first stage, Qmerit would support for coordinated installation of level 2 home charging station for Byton. GM and BMW are also partnered with Qmerit for charging stations. Byton has another agreement with Electrify America to install charging stations for them. Byton points out that by end of 2021, when M-Bytes are arriving, that Electrify America will have 800 charging stations with about 3,500 charge points capable of at least 150 kW that will charge it at its peak rate. We have presented 3 interesting news about electric vehicles here in this Electric Vehicle News Roundup April 2020. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos about electric vehicles.